लेफ्ट पे, एक्सट्रीम राइट आ जाओ. हाँ, यस.
Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamu alaikum, my beloved Huzoor.
Islam.
My name is Ayan Qamar Sayyid. My question is, what is your favorite attribute of the Holy Prophet ﷺ's character?
You see, Allah Ta'ala says that the Holy Prophet ﷺ is Uswa Hasana for you. He's a role model for you. So whichever character you take of the Holy Prophet ﷺ, it is a role model for you and you should like it. Huh? When you love somebody, then you love each and every feature and aspect of that thing or that person. See? So it is not particularly some special, specific character or some specific attribute we should like. Since the Holy Prophet ﷺ is the role model of you, for you, then you should love each and every action and deed of him and follow it and try to follow it. Right? Okay. Assalamu alaikum. Then you will become a good Muslim. Okay. Assalamu alaikum.